Yeah. After work. Yeah. When you're at work, it takes forever. Yeah.
That's it, guys. Z600, 1971. What are you doing? You're being silly. Stop. Thanks a lot, Eli.
McDonald's open only?
It's the back seat. All original.
Starbucks clothes are.
I know, but underneath is not free.
It's all original. Cassette is in there, and the cassette works too, right?
Oh, it's just AM FM.
Right, but they all work, right? I mean, no, it's AM FM. There's no cassette in it. I was about to say, is it A-track?
It looks like a BSI.
Wow. You don't see this often. Look at that carpet. It's all restored from the ground up.
The shifter's in the middle here that comes out of the dash.
That reminds me of the newer Civic now. That you know, the Civic SI. What do you call that? The EP3s. It's all in the middle. Honda always had that.
That's the only relic I found underneath the seat when I bought the car, the Godzilla lighter.
Oh no!
Yeah,
I did not notice that.
I'm not joking. It was covered in dirt.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
Everything else I threw away, but I kept that.
Look at that, 6,000 RPM. Handbrake, all original. And the seat is original too?
Yeah.
Oh
I have
my
recovered.
God.
It's original seats on it.
But the structure is there, you know?
Yeah, it's all there. Sorry for my chairs in the back.
It's okay. I would bring a chair too. And I go to an event like this. Alright, so this is a 71 Z600, correct?
Yep.
And it's a Honda. I hope it's on the back.
But you'll see this. This is fun.
Oh my god, everything works.
Spare tire in there.
That is hilarious. And that's how you take out the spare tire, correct?
Yep. And the jack.
So everything is slip spring, like all restored from.
Everything, yeah.
Wow.
I had to replate all. Everything gold CAD and all that. It's all.
This is all replated?
Yeah. Everything had to be replated correctly.
Oh my god. So it's like a exact museum piece then.
Just as it came out of the factory.
Look at it. Just the detail of it. It's pretty much all there. The bolts.
Every bolt is a Honda bolt. Like we didn't use any outside. Every bolt is actually factory stamped and everything.
I can tell. Look at that. 71 Z600. This is pretty much a museum piece. And this wheel, is this the original wheel?
Yeah, those are original. Those are American only.
The American
Honda dealer
version.
option wheels. They're called Pos Traction.
And this is what it came with the car.
Yeah. That's what's on the car.
And the paint on this car is immaculate. It's in amazing condition.
This is an original piece of rubber that I just
This is
you
all
know, like
original,
massaged. That one's new old stock. I actually found one.
You
old
found
stock one.
another
Yeah,
version
This
of
is
it.
this is the original of the car. Just kind of massaged it with oils and stuff.
It's a perfect piece, like, and all original antenna.
Yep. Yep.
Wow, that's amazing. This is a 2-cylinder, and this is how the car is next to my son, who's 5. Can I stand over there? And
This is size.
that's his. That's how.
You want to sit in it? You want to sit in it? Sit in it?
Like, want to sit on it?
Sit inside?
Come on, sit on it.
Be real gentle to it. You can get in.
Just be gentle. Your shoes are clean, right?
Yeah, that's fine. Go ahead.